Creating a YouTube banner in Canva is simple and enjoyable. Follow the steps. First of all, you need to set dimensions. For that, go to canva.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Click on Create a Design in the top left corner of the screen. Now click on Custom Size and enter 2560 by 1440 pixels. That is YouTube's recommended banner size. Click on Create a New Design. The safe zone is 1546 by 423 pixels at the center, ensuring visibility across all devices. To add a safe zone, go to Elements and then go to Shapes. Select a rectangle and resize it to 1546 by 423 pixels. Adjust the color to be slightly transparent, as you can remove it later as well. Now choose a background. Select a background that reflects your brand or channel name. You can use solid colors, gradients, or patterns from backgrounds. Or you can also upload any image you like. Alternatively, you can upload your own image or choose from the Photos section as well. Now add your channel name and tagline. Use the text tool to insert your channel name. Select any font you like. Pick a bold, clear font for readability on various devices and rename it. Adjust and resize it according to your preference as well. And you can also include a tagline or call to action like new videos every week or subscribe for more tutorials by selecting any other font. You can also access the Elements section in the left side of the screen to insert icons, shapes, or illustrations that align with your channel's name. Example, gaming, beauty, travel, or anything you're willing to add. Use the frames or grids for including personal images or content. Now you can stick to your brand colors for consistency. Use Canva tools like shadows, effects, or gradients to enhance your text and maintain a clean and organized design. Lastly, once you're done editing, click on the share button in the top right and then click on download and download it as a PNG or JPG and then click on download again. Now you can go ahead and upload it to your YouTube. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.